Honor will launch the Honor 300 series on December 2nd at China. The lineup includes 3 models, such as the Honor 300, 300 Pro, and 300 Ultra. Honor 300 Pro, its coming curved screen and 3 color options, Ink Rock Black, Tea Green, and Starlight Sand. Honor 300 feature a 1.5K OLED screens that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and an in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Honor 300 come a 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel telephoto cameras, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Honor 300 Pro feature the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and offered up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Honor 300 Pro power by 5300 mAh battery with 100W wired and 66W wireless charging. The phone has also been confirmed to feature IP68. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.